Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add tags on Stripe. So please listen carefully to everything that I will say and to my explanation on this. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your Stripe dashboard. And once you're on your dashboard, you will just have to access your tag settings by going to your settings. So it should be somewhere right here. It really depends on the version or the layout of your screen. So anyway, once you go to your settings, you will just have to look for tax and then you will click start setup, and then you will set your business location, and then you will select your country and then go to region, and then you will click save. And then after that, you will add tax rates by clicking add tax rate, and then you will enter the name, the percentage, and the region, and then click save. And then after that, you will apply the tax to your products or invoices. And when creating an invoice or payment link, you will select tax and then you will apply rate. And after all that, you will just have to create a test payment and then ensure that the tax is applied correctly, and you can adjust if needed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.